I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marinara sauce for pizza. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need one 28-ounce can of crushed San Marzano tomatoes, 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of good olive oil. Don't forget fresh basil, dried oregano, and a tiny pinch of red pepper flakes for that perfect flavor balance. This easy method ensures a delicious sauce every time. Now let's begin cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once shimmering, add your 3 minced garlic cloves. Sauté them gently for about 1 minute, just until they become fragrant and slightly golden. It's crucial not to let the garlic brown too much, as burnt garlic can impart an unpleasant, bitter taste to your wonderful sauce. Keep a close eye on it. Next, carefully pour in the entire 28-ounce can of crushed San Marzano tomatoes. Stir everything together thoroughly to combine the garlic and oil. Now, add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a subtle warmth. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook, uncovered, for at least 20 minutes or even up to 1 hour, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, for those delightful finishing touches, just before you're ready to use your sauce, stir in about a 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves, roughly chopped. This adds a vibrant, fresh aroma. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. If you prefer a smoother texture, an immersion blender works wonders directly in the pot. Your easy, homemade marinara is now ready for your delicious pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.